Alright guys, so in today's video I want to show you how you can start sending bulk emails directly from your CSV file. So if you're interested in learning how you can start sending bulk emails, then this video is for you. So quickly, let me just show you guys how to do it so you guys can watch out this video really quick and start doing it yourself. So the first thing you want to do is you want to prepare your CSV file. So here is my CSV file that I will be using for the purpose of this video, right? And you can see that this CSV file contains a lot of things like my client's name, their full address, their street address, other things like their area. I also have their phone contact, right? You can see I have their phone contact, I have their country. You can see they're all based in the United States of America, and some other things I have here, including their website. I also have their second phone number in case the first doesn't go out well, the second should be able to go. So you can see I have their website. I also have their domain because they all have a website. You can see their domain all right here, and most importantly guys, I have their email address, and I know this is something many of you are so interested in. And of course I also have their social media handles, so if I want to check up them on their socials, maybe I want to see how many followings they have and all like that, everything that I can think of, everything is what I have here on my own CSV file. So if you're interested in having such a CSV file, all you have to do is to let me know in the comment section below, or shoot me a mail and I will provide you with something like this, or basically something that you yourself you want based on your own preference. So once you have your own CSV file ready, the next thing we want to do is we want to upload the CSV file into Google Sheets. Okay, so CSV file basically works offline, but Google Sheet it works online. So we are going to be uploading this file into our Google Sheet for better usage. So come over to your account. So right here you can see I have my own account, and you can see this is my own Google Sheet dashboard. So the next thing I want to do is, remember I told you want to upload the CSV file into our Google Sheet account. So come over to this place here where you see those icon here that says open file picker. So I'm going to open or click on this right now. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to come over to the upload section. You can see we have many options here, but come over to the upload section, and once you're here on the upload section, the next thing you want to do is to click on browse. Okay, and from browse here, all you have to do now is to find or locate the CSV file on your computer and upload it into Google Sheets. So for me, this is the file I want to upload. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on upload. So once I do that, you can see it's going to be uploaded right here on my Google Sheet account, and you can see successfully I have it right here on my own Google Sheet. So now once you've been able to upload this into your Google Sheet account, the next thing you have to do is you can basically play around with this. Maybe you want to make some editing, you can do that, but if you are fine with everything you have here, the next thing we have to do is to come over to our browser, okay, and we want to install an extension. So this extension is what will help us send bulk emails directly from our CSV file. So come over to your browser and search for gmass.co. okay, so GMass is a cold email marketing software tool that can help you send bulk emails, right? But right before you start using GMass to send cold emails, you can also use this, okay, as an extension to send bulk emails directly from your CSV file. So what this tool is going to do is that it's going to help you pick out the email address from your CSV file, and it's going to be helping you send all your emails to your recipients. Okay, now I'm going to show you how it all works. So once you are here on GMass, the next thing you want to do is you can play around GMass to see some of the features that they have, and GMass is one super tool if you are interested in sending bulk emails directly from your Gmail account. You can try out GMass and you're going to be so happy with the result that you will be getting. So really quick, all you have to do now is just click on add to Gmail. So you want to click on add to Gmail. You can see here where it says add to Gmail, click on add to Gmail, and it's going to open up a small browser like this. You can see now it says remove from Chrome. It's because me myself, I have GMass already installed into my computer, but if you don't have it, it's going to tell you to add to Chrome. So once you've been able to install the GMass extension into your computer, then you'll be ready to start sending bulk emails directly from your CSV file. Now I'm going to close this up right now, okay, and I'm going to go next to my inbox folder. So you want to come over to your mail. So once you've been able to upload your CSV, you've been able to install the GMass software or the extension into your computer. Now you want to go ahead and come over to your Google account, like you want to send out a mail, then come over to the compose section right here, click on compose, and the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and write your messages. So let's say for me, I'm just going to go something hello, just to show you guys how it all works. Okay, hello, then I can just be like, it's me again, just random message here. All right, good. So once you've been able to get your own email, your message composed, don't be like me. Write out something you want to send out to your recipient. Then the next thing you want to do is you come over to the recipients folder. You can see this recipient section right here. And now, if you look at this closely, you realize that the GMass icon is basically showing. So if you've been able to install the GMass successfully and rightly into your computer, you should have those icons showing right here on your Google account. So go ahead and click on this. Okay, it says you want to connect an email list to this particular mail. So go ahead and click on this, and the next thing you want to do is you can see that you can either upload from a Google Sheet. Okay, you can either send from a Google Sheet, you can send from another campaign, or you can send from a list. But the purpose of this video is to show you guys how to send from a CSV file, which is as well you sending from a Google Sheet. So click on from a Google Sheet, then now it's going to ask you to sign in into your Google account. Now go ahead and click on sign up with Google, and now once you click on sign up with Google, just want to go ahead and sign in really quick. So I'm just going to use this account. Okay, click on continue, and mind you, this is the account I want to use in sending my bulk email. So make sure this is the same account you want to use in sending your bulk emails. I'm going to go ahead and click on select all. Okay, come down a little bit and click on continue. Okay, so once you click on continue, automatically it's going to sign in into your account. You can see successfully you've been able to sign in into your account. So what we have to do right now is we're going to go click on close window. Okay, then come back here right now again, click on this icon yet, then click on from a Google Sheet. Okay, then see what happens. Now you can see it opens up this small window for you. Now the next thing you have to do is just click on this icon right here. You can see, click on this icon right here, and once you do that, you'll be able to see all the CSV file that you uploaded on your Google Sheet account. So for me, this is the one I want to send my bulk emails to. So I'm going to click on this account, and I'm going to click on connect to spreadsheet. Okay, so you can see it's asking me to please wait. So we're going to wait for a bit of time, and you can see that all of the recipient has been added successfully. So you can see we have over 339 recipients who will be receiving our mail. So you can see how easy and how very simple it is for you to start sending bulk emails directly from your CSV file. So instead of you doing the manual method of you copying all the emails and pasting right here, GMass automatically would pinpoint all the emails, and it's going to be helping you send your emails to your recipients. Very easy and very simple to do. So once you've been able to write your message and you have your recipients already imputed, the next thing you want to do now is to go ahead and click on send. So you can either send directly from GMass, or you can send directly using your own Gmail account. But for me, I love using GMass because GMass is going to be helping me track all my emails to see if they are landing in the inbox folder, or they are landing in the promotion folder, or rather maybe in the spam folder. GMass is going to be giving me all the details of my email sent, or all the emails I sent, right? So you can also do some other things, like probably you can do things like scheduling. If you want to schedule your emails, maybe you don't want to send immediately, you can schedule your emails right here on GMass. So this is one big tool that it might take me a lot while to cover up all of the amazing features that it can do, but this is just for this particular video to show you guys how you can send bulk emails directly from your CSV file. So I'm just going to give you a recap just to make you understand much more better. So the first thing you have to do is you want to prepare your CSV file. So this is your CSV file. Once you have this already prepared, now come over to your account, and right here on your Google account, you want to make sure you upload that same CSV file into your Google Sheet. Now once you've been able to upload it, go ahead and install the GMass extension into your computer. Once you install it, go ahead and compose your message, import the CSV file right here on GMass, then you can now start sending your bulk email. So it's very easy and very simple. So you can try out this method and see if it works for you, and if it does, please let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video if you found it so helpful, and I'll see you in my other videos. But meanwhile, you can also check out this video right here where I show you how to send thousands of bulk emails every single day. So check out this video right now, and I'll see you there. Bye.